Today we have Executive Chairman of Saloni Heart Foundation with us, Mr. Himanshu Seth. I'm Sir Himanshu. Welcome to our autonomous vehicle. We are going to take you for a ride in our autonomous vehicle today in this sort of single lane road.
Thank you, Sanjeev. Thank you. This is a great opportunity for me also to interact with you and your team. Pleasure to be part of a pilot.
So static Fortuner आप ये तो पहले भी देख चुके हैं, अवॉइड हो गया। यहाँ पे एक ऑटो आ रहा है, ये देखिए मिडिल पे चल के आ रहा है तो गाड़ी को कितना डिफ्लेक्ट, कितना स्लो होना पड़ा उसको डिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए।
I know.
So now there are some pedestrians coming in. Which are occupying the middle of the road, so the vehicle has to deflect as they are not yielding actually.
This is correct. Doing all this very smoothly.
Exactly.
Now there is a guy in the middle of the road. Yeah, okay. Cool. Brilliant. Come here. Another oncoming vehicle.
So this Thar is not yielding at all, so the
Not
vehicle will
yielding and it's
deflect.
taking. Wow, this is so much.
This is like pure stochastic sort of behavior.
And it's not giving any jerks. It's seamless.
Yes.
It's
Oh, this vehicle is now occupying almost 75% of the.
and it's left the road and
Exactly. You see, there is a gap, but it is not coming back in. It's waiting for the
Correct.
to overtake the auto.
Yeah.
Now it is coming in. Again, there is a speed breaker.
Let's see how it traverses the bump this time around. Cool. It slowed down.
It's more smoother compared to the last time.
Yeah.
There are bikers.
Another biker. It's giving space to the second
Another
biker.
second
also.
biker as well.
Did not come back.
Exactly.
This is super. Like,
So the vehicle not only just deflects but also
Incredible.
slows down for the safety concern.
yeah. And again, when the lane markers are gone, now there's a dog on the road. Let's see how it traverses.
It avoided the dog.
Avoided the dog as well.
It
Wow.
avoided the dog.
Brilliant. Okay, there's a biker standing on the road. It's given
Slow
it
down.
space, slowed down.
There's a biker on
Another biker coming towards us.
But you saw, like, it avoided the dog.
Yeah. This is super. This is amazing.
And I'll tell you, like, the complexity of the task is so humongous. It's such a complex task that it's very hard to comprehend. The vehicle is performing bi-directional negotiation on single lane road. Meaning, if anyone is coming from the other end, the vehicle will have to shift off roads, just like the drivers on roads in India do.
Yeah.
This is a very complex problem to solve.
For sure, Sanjeev. This is a game changer. This is next generation tech. And there's nothing.
See,
I
the
have
biker
seen
was already too
comparison,
far
yeah.
on the right. The vehicle
Yeah.
did not slow down, but it
Correct.
deviated towards the left.
Correct.
Right? So this behavior is like totally sort of stochastic. Like, I mean, there's no predetermined rule that you have to slow down unnecessarily. The vehicle determines that the gap is large enough. It did not slow down and just kept on moving.
Now there's a car on the side of the road. It just left the space. There is an on off, and this
You
is
see?
like on coming
The
on
deflection.
vehicle. Wow, this was brilliant. Easy navigation.
There's
Coming
another car coming
Let's
in.
see. Okay, cool. Oh wow, seamless. Brilliant. And that was the car was coming on a very high speed.
Very high
actually,
speed.
on on such a small road. So Sanjeev, my take is that if this can be done on a Mahindra Bolero,
which is a mechanical vehicle.
correct, which is like an archaic vehicle in today's world, this can very easily be mounted on a
EV or any other like automated transmission. We have automated transmission vehicle and it works much smoothly like over there. Electric vehicle like just much more smoother. This construction going on, road is blocked. I think I will have to take control over here. But let's see.
Let's see. Okay, it's traversing on the right side. It slowed down
And came back.
Wow, cool. Came back. This was
The entire road was blocked.
almost.
So you see how complex, although we may think this is very simple, but this
This is
the
very
vehicle
complex.
has to determine the traversability of this patch, and that to like has to decide how much to deflect, when to deflect it, what speed to deflect. There's another biker
Very
coming
good.
in. You see,
Slowed down
you see,
and,
slow down, but
yeah,
not too much as
yeah.
compared to the other bikers
Correct.
when they were almost in the middle of the road.
Correct.
I think we'll stop over here.
Yeah, we can stop now.